Remember these simple maintenance tasks now, so the next call is easy and the emergencies stay away. First, schedule an annual water heater flush to clear sediment that steals efficiency and shortens the tank's life. Tell them a standard drain, stir with cold water, and a refill is usually enough. Second, explain toilet flapper replacement as a quick fix for silent leaks and high water bills. Advise a dye test in the tank and a like-for-like flapper swap with a snug chain length. Third, teach periodic disposal cleaning with ice, coarse salt, and a citrus peel rinse to scrub the grind chamber and keep odors down. Remind them never to use harsh chemicals. Fourth, suggest seasonal vent stack checks because blocked roof vents cause slow drains and gurgling. Recommend a visual inspection after storms and leaf falls. Fifth, coach on listening for pressure changes and short cycling in the water heater or pump as early warning signs, and keeping a simple log of noises and dates for your next visit. Sixth, set calendar reminders. Keep model numbers on a fridge note, and photograph serial plates so parts and guidance are fast when they call. Common miss number 1 is ignoring the annual flush because the heater seems fine and then sediment cooks into concrete. Book it during a routine visit and tie it to the same month each year. Miss number 2 is waiting on a worn toilet flapper until the water bill hurts. Show them the dye test and leave a spare flapper with a short instruction card. Miss number 3 is treating the disposal like a trash can and then trying to fix it with drain cleaner. Coach them to run cold water, feed small amounts, and do the ice and salt scrub monthly with a quick reset if it trips. We built bighomeprojects.com to make it easy for homeowners to find trusted local plumbing contractors and for contractors to connect with real jobs without barriers. We also host a discussion community where we share maintenance checklists, answer questions, and help everyone stay ahead of small issues before they turn into big costs.